Hello, in this video we're gonna see how we can pause an active Viber business account inside WayMore. First we need to go to the Viber business accounts dashboard, and we can do so either through the left side menu under the communication category, Viber, and selecting Viber business accounts. Or we can just go to our account settings and select Viber business messaging. Now that we are in the Viber business accounts dashboard, we simply find the active account that we want to pause, let's say this one, and we click here. And afterwards we click on the pause Viber business account button in the top right corner. As you can see, it tells us that we can pause this account at the end of the current month, which is the nearest available pausing date, because this Viber business account is active and already paid for the current month. So we click on yes, continue, and our Viber business account will get paused at the end of the current month.